In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image slider to your hosting a website in a seamless and efficient way. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your hosting a website editor. This is your starting point for making any modifications to your site. Once you're in the website editor, go ahead and click on Add Elements. You'll notice that there isn't a built-in image slider widget available directly from Hostinger, so we're going to use a third-party service to bring this feature to life. For this, we're going to head over to elfsight.com. Elfsight offers a user-friendly way to create and customize visual elements like image sliders, making this process much simpler and more effective. If you don't already have an account with Elfsight, you'll need to create one. It's a straightforward process, and you can even sign up using your Google account. The best part? It's free. Once you're all signed up, navigate to the My Apps section. This is where you'll be creating your image slider widget. Look for the Create Widget button and click on it. You will then be presented with several template options. For this demonstration, I'm choosing the Traveler template, but you can select any template that fits your style and design preferences. It's easy to customize, so feel free to make it your own. After selecting your template, you'll need to click on Continue with this template. You'll see a preview, and once satisfied, simply hit Close. Your newly created slider is now ready in the My Apps section. To embed this on your Hostinger site, you'll need the code. Go to the options provided, often shown as 3 dots, and select Embed Code. Copy the code that appears. Now it's time to head back to your Hostinger editor. In the editor, select Add Section, and then choose to add a blank section to your page. This section is where your image slider will be positioned. Click on Add Elements again and select Embed Code. Then drag and drop it into your new section. Click on Enter Code, and paste the code you copied from Elfsight. Afterward, click Embed Code. You'll now have the slider embedded on your web page. You can drag it, resize it, and adjust its positioning as desired to fit seamlessly into your site's layout. Finally, when you're happy with how everything looks, click on Preview to see your changes in action. And there you have it. You have successfully added an image slider to your Hostinger website. This addition can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your site, engaging your visitors with eye-catching content. Enjoy your new feature.